Okay, we are at Mom and Pop's as usual because that's our favorite place to go. And we have got our catch in this bag right here. Took Pastor Randy fishing yesterday, and this morning we're fishing here at Mom and Pop's as well. And as you can see, we did really well with the redfish. If I can get him out of the bag, kind of slippery. That's all right, we'll get him. I think Pastor Randy caught the biggest one. And they've been on ice, so now make sure we clean these up. I'll get a good picture of them. This one's Pastor Randy's. Yeah, and so we caught all these fish. He caught the biggest one in the middle, and then I caught the two on the end. So how was that? How was that fishing last night?
Oh man, that's the way it ought to be.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't help but enjoy it. Hey, man, I mean, you forget all your troubles.
Yeah, that's right.
All that stress is just, man, you know, pulling that fish in.
Yeah.
Doing that live pull in the end.
Yeah.
It's a wonderful thing.
What we catch these on? What kind of bait?
And we had live bait. No, excuse me, we had cut bait.
Cut bait, right? We caught some pinfish, and we cut those up, and some croaker, and cut those up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we tried the shrimp, but that wasn't working, so we went to cut bait, and you see the result right here. So, all right, well, let me get to filleting these fish so we can get them in Ziplocs, and then over to the trailer. I have a vacuum sealer. I'm gonna vacuum seal these fish for you. Okay, Randy's hooked into one. This is his second big one. We're down at our secret spot, but look at that beautiful sunset. Isn't it awesome? All right, Randy's. I don't have my GoPro on me right now, but how's that fight, Randy?
Good.
There he is. He's coming in. I can see him. See if I can blow it up a little bit. All right.
You was out there.
Yeah. Sure. Let's see what we got here. That's right. Keep on. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Might be a black drum. We'll see in a second here, so take your time.